margin of safety is 4,20,000, which is 30% of the total sale, and the profit volume ratio is 25% from the above calculate. Now see, they have just given you the one line that margin of, they have given that the margin of safety is 4,20,000 and this is 30% of sale. So this represents 4,20,000 represents 30%. So 100% कितना, अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे तो we will be getting a total sales. Now, from this, they have asked us to find out total sale, profit on a present sale, fixed cost, and the sale to earn a profit of rupees 1,40,000. So now, by just this one line, we will be calculating this for the calculation which they have mentioned us to do. Now, see class, this is a question where they can ask you for even for the MCQ purpose. अब एक लाइन ये दे दिया और पूछ सकते हैं कि प्रॉफिट ऑन प्रेजेंट सेल फाइंड करके दो. So you can get this in the either of the way. So you have to be prepared like this. This can be even asked for your 7 to 8 marks of 8 marks together. And even सिर्फ ये एक लाइन देखे आपको इसमें से कोई भी एक भी पूछ सकते for MCQ purpose as well. So let's do the solution first. Now देखो margin of safety is already 4,20,000 which they have given. We can easily find out total sale. अगर ये represent कर रहा है 30% को तो 100% कितना? So we can easily calculate the this total sale over here. So let's start with the solution. First one, margin of safety. इसका short form है MOS is equals to 4,20,000 which is equal to again 30% of sales. We can do like this. 4,20,000 represents 30%. So 100 का कितना? This we will be getting total sales. Chalo, find out and tell me the answer. 4,20,000 into 100 divided by 30%. Yes, very good. Rupees 14 lakh. Correct. Now the same way, you can find out the profit on a present sale. How you can find out? Can you all tell me? ये जितना भी present sale आया, that is 14 lakh. उसके ऊपर they have asked us to find out the profit. Anyone, how we can do it? Very much easy. We have a profit volume ratio as well. So we can directly write like this. Okay, profit on present sales will be equal to, we have a MOS, we will be multiplying by profit volume ratio. So 4,20,000 into 25%. Find out. Full at 20 का 25%, which will be equal to rupees 1,05,000. Present sale बोला है, total sale नहीं यहाँ. Make sure they have asked just the present sale, not a total one. So you cannot take this 14 lakh on उसका ऊपर 25%. No, present मतलब जो MOS का present sale है, तो that is nothing but it is 4,20,000. Now the third thing which they have asked us to find out is fixed cost. We have a formula for finding out the fixed cost. Now today we will be directly applying the formula. We won't be writing the whole thing. We will be just applying the formula over here. Sales into PV ratio minus do we have a sales? Yes, we have a sale of 14 lakh into 25% माइनस जो भी हमें प्रॉफिट मिला. कितना प्रॉफिट मिला फर्स्ट सेकेंड स्टेप से? 1,05,000. So when I do the calculation, getting 2,45,000 answer. 2,45,000 as a answer. Fourth, sales to earn a profit of rupees 1,40,000. So let's write what we have to find first. So sales to earn profit of rupees 1,40,000. Can anyone tell me the formula? What is the formula? Fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Now the fixed cost we have already find it out from the step number 3, 2,45,000 plus they have already given us the profit of 1,40,000 divided by PV ratio, that is 25%, which has already been given in the question. So this comes to rupees 15 lakh. So we are done with this sum. So that is why I have taken this sum, so that even if your exams goes in the online और अगर MCQs पूछा जा रहा है तो you can get this type of the sums as well, because सारों का सारा calculation ना भी है, but they must be asking you to find out total sale or a profit on a present sale, or they will be giving even the fixed cost and they will be asking you to find out the sales to earn a profit. So either of the way it can come.